Welcome to our guide on removing received GIFs from your favorites on Instagram. If you've been using Instagram for a while, you might have accumulated a few GIFs in your favorites that you no longer want. Don't worry, it's a simple process to remove them. Here's how you can do it step by step. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account, so you can access all your messages and settings. Next, look for the messages icon at the top of the page. This icon usually resembles a paper airplane and is located in the upper right corner of your screen. Tap on it to open your direct messages. Once you're in your messages, find and open the chat that contains the GIF you want to remove from your favorites. Scroll through your conversations until you locate the specific chat where you received the GIF. Now, here comes the crucial step. Click and hold on the received GIF that you wish to remove from your favorites. After holding it for a moment, a menu will appear with several options. From this menu, choose Remove as Favorite. This action will instantly take that GIF out of your favorites list. And that's it. You've successfully removed a GIF from your favorites on Instagram. This process is quick and straightforward, allowing you to keep your favorites organized without any hassle. If you find yourself frequently favoriting GIFs, remember that managing them is just as easy. Regularly checking and updating your favorites can help ensure that only the GIFs you truly love remain accessible. Thank you for following along with this guide. If you have any questions or need further assistance with Instagram features, feel free to reach out. Happy Instagramming!